Welcome to another edition of Data Spaces. My name's Gareth. I'm really excited to demo a new reporting solution integrated into Prototypr.ai. It's called Test Center. This new solution provides customers with the ability to import their Google Analytics 4 data and measure the impact of any prototypes, landing pages, or hypotheses they generate in one platform. So let's take a tour and I'll show you how it all works. All right, I'm in an AI product workspace right now. And you'll notice at the top of the page there's a new featured icon. You can now access Test Center, which is our home for analytics. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, so we're in Test Center right now. Let me show you around. It's still a work in progress, but I'm really excited about how it's coming along. And the first thing you'll notice is an experiment summary about the experiments that you have in your workspace and what you're looking to grow over time. There's a KPI summary at the top. There's an area focus chart which shows you what areas or experiments you're focusing on looking to grow, like retention or user acquisition, and the test plans that are going to help you do just that. Like I said, this video is about importing your Google Analytics data. So this dashboard can be expanded with GA4. I created a data import and actually built this entire integration with a custom GPT-4 and GPT-3.5 chat integration that I recently did up here. So you can click on that AI icon and just say thanks for the help. And it was really amazing just kind of building this product with an AI model such as GPT 3.5 and 4. So let's get back to importing our data. I'm going to click on the settings tab over here and you'll see a sign in with Google. So we click on that. Then we choose our account. So I'm just going to use a personal account here. And Google hasn't verified this app, so that's okay because I'm still testing it. And then there is Prototypr.ai wants to access your Google Analytics data. So this is just read-only access that we're asking for. And you hit continue and great. GA4 is now connected. So the final step we need to do is we need to choose our account and link it to a workspace. So we're going to choose an account right here. I'm going to choose some landing page data that I have. I'm going to choose the workspace that I want to link it to and then click on link to workspace. And there we go. Nice. You've successfully linked your GA4 account to a Prototypr.ai workspace. All right, let's click on this link and take a look at our new summary report. All right, here we are. So you can see our Google Analytics data has been imported. I've actually built this dashboard around 3 different sections. So there's a user acquisition, engagement, and retention section. And so you can just kind of see this, and then underneath is your experiment summary. So that's what you get out of the box. There is also a nice little date filter here, so you can just kind of toggle between some presets. The dashboard defaults to yesterday, and any sort of comparison metrics that you see are versus the previous period at this time. So let's add a metric to our KPI summary, and we're actually going to do this in a little bit different way. We're going to try and use natural language and GPT-3 to help us define this KPI. So this is really fun. So as someone who has a landing page, I'm interested in tracking or measuring how many people are clicking on that primary call to action button that I have at the top of the page. So I have a very specific way that I measure that. So let's just see if the model can kind of pick this up. So I want the percentage of users who converted with the event called primary CTA click. So that's a very specific event that I defined. Hopefully the model can tell us that this is a user conversion metric that we're looking for. We hit define, and it usually takes a couple seconds. And there we go. So user conversion rate. So for the primary CTA click, so that looks great. That's our API metric. We can create a friendly metric name, so we can just say primary CTA click, and that's amongst users. And one other thing that we have before we hit save this KPI to our dashboard is there's a Python kind of implementation so that you can just take the script and just run it to validate the data in your own way. If you have a Jupyter notebook or whatever else you use to validate data, want to be fully transparent with the data that I'm pulling, want to give you access to your data because it is yours. So here's an API query that's written in Python that you can just kind of copy and validate your numbers as needed. Okay, so let's save this to our dashboard. And there it is, 31%. So that's not bad. That's a pretty good conversion rate on a landing page. So I'm not going to fill out the rest of the dashboard, but that's it. That's the new product demo. Going to be rolling this out hopefully relatively soon. If you would like to test it, I would love to get some more eyeballs on this. So help me test Center, please. And I would love to say thanks for watching and let me know what you think in the comments below. Really appreciate your time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.